Licensing protection for expert advisors and indicators on MT4 and MT5 is crucial for developers. With the MQL Secure remote licensing system, you can safeguard your intellectual property from unauthorized use. This system allows you to generate unique licenses tied to specific accounts, ensuring that only legitimate users can access your tools. Plus, it offers real-time validation so you can monitor usage and revoke licenses if needed. By implementing this protection, you not only enhance your revenue, but also build trust with your customers, knowing their investment is secure. Protect your creations and keep your trading strategies exclusive.